Messi. Alright, fuck that. Yo, bro. Tito. Yeah, right. You ain't gonna say shit. Tito. Yo, Casey. Oh my god. Ah, this okay, fuck it.
Could be useful after all.
I got you covered!
Hey, yo, no, you're not gonna get fucking my shit up again. I ain't about to keep downloading that bitch. Fuck that.
Ruck up, you're headed to the war zone.
Hey, I'll be here. Every day.
Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
There's only 3 of us?
Resurgence.
Or 4? What's up, dude?
Survive and you
Gang, what's up? What's up? Right there, B. Strong roll type did you kill him?
Need recon overhead.
You have reinforcements inbound. Squad's in the safe zone. Gas is moving. Precision airstrike
Target
standing
area
by.
marked. You're cleared hot.
This is Longbow 3-1, target acquired, strike inbound.
Timeline expired. UAV exiting the AO.
No hit, go again.
Enemy UAV overhead. UAV is online. Enemy
Yes.
advanced UAV is active. Squad's active in the field. If the enemy took that one, we'll get them back.
Let me see the comments. Let me see the comments. Joey at the wrong time. Long time no see, fool. What's up, Mr. Bob? Mr. Bob, Mr. Bob, bro. I get a smack on that. No. Let me back out. I'm still trying to find a new. Still trying to find a new setting on this, cause. Yeah, it don't want me to start. Still looking for the setting, bro. What's up, Mr. Bob? Yeah, that was crazy. Nice guy.
We're headed to the war zone. Get geared up and stand by.
No, Bob, I'm just saying. The last moment when I thought, hey, look at this, Bob. What is in the middle of my screen,
Prep
bro? In
time's
the middle
over.
of my
Now you
screen.
deploy to the war zone.
You see that? What is that, bro? What the hell is this? Did you see that, Bob, bro? Did you see what I'm talking about? Did you see that thing in the middle of my screen? Yo, look at it, bro.
Resurgence.
Watch.
Survive.
When I jump, that's when the sun. Bro, look at it. What the fuck is this? What is this? Like something I'm holding. Like, this looking like Meccasin. Something like that?
Hostile UAV in the area.
What the
Squad mate
fuck?
redeployed. Well
Oh,
done.
get out of my screen. Oh, man.
Enemy UAV overhead.
What is this, man?
Hostile UAV in the area.
See the way?
Precision airstrike ready for target. Additional target
Hey,
added.
come on. Oh, that shit disappeared. Oh, a beer again. Start my button.
Enemy UAV is online. Enemy UAV overhead.
No. Oh. Start my freaking.
Target marked. Fire
Copy that. Longbow 3-1, Dark Station. Strike inbound.
Marks remain in operation.
You ain't gonna
from
do that to
squad.
my bar,
Hunt
buddy.
them down.
It's right there, Article? No way. Woo.
Stand by for redeployment. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Who scared me? Shit.
All squad mates are in the safe zone. Gas is inbound. Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
No!
You have reinforcements inbound. Hostile UAV. We lost the contract.
I'm hit.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Oh my god. Behind.
Got 10 squads active in the field. Top 25. Well done.
I don't know what the fuck even doing.
Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Time for them redeploying. Enemy UAV overhead. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. station. Good work. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy deployed an advanced UAV. You have reinforcements inbound. Your squad made it to the safe zone. You're losing ground. Move it.
He's getting shot from the roof.
Yeah, kill yourself, you fuck con.
Recharge is on.
Squad mate is redeployed. Well done. You're getting another chance. Weapons free. Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. Squad mates back on station. Good work. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV overhead. UAV is online. Enemy advanced UAV overhead. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six. Hostile UAV in the area.
What the fuck? Well, two motherfucking boosts in this one.
Fire sales over. Adjusting prices. 25 remain. We lost that one, but we'll get a W next time.
Let me my other one.
Let me pop a bit.
practice. Real things coming soon. Stations, we are ready to go. Stand by for deployment. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring back. Enemy UAV overhead. Vulnerable buy station detected. Proceed to the buy station before time runs out to receive a discounted item. Enemy soldier incoming.
Took a shot.
You're in the wrong spot, Archie. We've got 10 squads active in the field. You have reinforcements inbound. Enemy dropping into the AO. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Enemy UAV is online. Still confirmed.
back on station. Good work. Made it to the safe zone.
You lucky, that gun is strong.
Need medical.
Get ready. Redeploying. You have reinforcements inbound. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. You've got a loadout drop inbound. You have reinforcements inbound. Hostile UAV in the area.
Stop the press! It's just in!
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count.
Move in here.
Still have squad mates outside the safe zone. 5 squads still operational in the AO. Fire sale's done. Prices are back to normal.
Took a shot!
Only 10 left.
Keep a rager down! I'm hit!
You a bitch.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Resurgence is close. No more second chances. Your squad mate survived. Contract complete.
Shot!
Yeah, what the What the fuck?
Taking fire.
Gas is inbound. Check your gear and weapons. We'll be deploying. Enemy soldier incoming.
Wait, 3 people. 3 people, bro.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
Bro.
All stations, green light. We're deploying to the war zone. Resurgence. Stay alive to keep this running. Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Last remaining operator from that squad. Hunt them down.
Target's done. Thermal barrage going out.
This fucking not ready, bro.
Nigga, they all just came out of nowhere, bro. They not missing shots.
Stand by for redeployment. Squad mates redeployed. Well done.
Oh, I gotta move. What the fuck am I doing standing in the same
No.
All squad mates are in the safe zone. We're returning you to the front. Early.
Bro, like what? This shit. Ugh.
They'll get at me up. I help your setting. I'm a solo player too. My friends is
You have reinforcements inbound.
You said what?
I said say I'm playing by myself with random.
Kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tag map. Get hunting. Enemy UAV overhead. It's all on you. Stay alive so your squad can redeploy.
Ah, yeah. Possible. Got a precision on it.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Movement. Cancel last.
I'm gonna go to that out. I need to go to that out. Got one.
Careful. Area's hot.
Nigga, and I'm getting. He's just sitting there. That's an
Mark it down. Marking the rest of them.
Okay, here, some stuff.
Enemy UAV is online.
Fuck, I got the wrong word out.
I'm sorry, but that sounds funny as fuck.
Movement.
What, did I got the wrong load out?
Yeah.
Well, I got a Draco. In the loadout I'm using right now, I got a Draco. But the other loadout I had a C9 and I just had made a new loadout. Cause I got both my guns, well, one of them diamond.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Like, nigga!
Only 25 left. Keep up the good work. Enemy UAV overhead. Contract failed. Stand down. Enemy UAV is online. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Moving here. Squad's in the safe zone. Moving here. Got gas moving in. Stand to you, Foxtrot. Stay sharp.
Oh no.
I killed that kid on the boat.
25 will still stand. The enemy took that one, but we'll get them back.
Run it back.
Well, good eating right there by your feet.
Little neck ass.
What? No, she was.
Up here, bro.
Okay,
I wanted your man shit. I just wanted your man shit. Thanks for the loadout.
What the fuck? Yo, hell no. Oh, that's some mutey ass shit.
You kept your squad mate in one piece. Contract complete. Hostile UAV in the area.
They ended. Bottom floor.
Calling in score streak.
Oh shit. Yes! How the fuck, dude? How the fuck I didn't see this before?
Go get your revenge. You have reinforcements inbound. We've got 10 squads active in the field. Get your squad to the safe zone. Leave no one behind.
Why you run?
Enemy UAV overhead. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. You're down one squad mate. We'll get you Get ready. You're redeploying. Friendly loadout drops on the way. Located a score streak.
Fuck you guys. Fuck you bitches. Yo, bro. This setting is changing every damn day. That's crazy.
You're getting another chance. Weapons free.
Back out. I need to back out. What?